Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how we cook cassava leaf in Sierra Leone. I've already blended my cassava leaf. I will show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. In my bowl, I have my cow skin, my cow intestine, and a little bit of prawns for extra taste. I have my dry fish here, my red meat, red oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my peanut butter, and this is okra, onion, and pepper, and seasoning and salt. So I will show you guys how it's done. So I'll go in with my meat first, and cow skin and my cow intestine. I'm going to season it and I will let it cook for 15 minutes, after which I will go in with my dry fish. A little bit of salt, my seasoning, and a little bit of chopped onion. Let's allow this to cook, and then we'll come in with our dry fish. I'm going to go in with my dry fish. I want to let this cook as much as possible, especially for the cow skin and the cow intestine. It has to cook and really soft. So I'll go in with my dry fish and I'll stir it and let it cook. I'll let it cook for some minutes again, and then yep. Our protein is ready. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. And after which I will come with my cassava leaf. I have my cassava leaf in the pot and I'm going to allow this to cook. It's going to cook until it has no smell, because cassava leaf has a very strong smell. So that's why most of the time we try to cook it separate before we come in with the other ingredients. So I'll allow this to cook really well until it has no smell before I go in with my peanut butter and the other ingredients. Our cassava leaf is ready, as you can see. So I will go in with my granite paste and also allow it to cook together for a little bit. And then I will go in with my red oil and my pepper, okra, and onion all together. I'm going to go in with my peanut butter. So I have my granite paste inside already. Let me stir it a little bit and I'll cover it for some time. Then I'll go in with my red oil. Cassava leaf is ready. This is well cooked. I'll go in with my red oil. And I have in here onion, pepper, and okra. I'm going to let this cook on a very low heat so everything can blend together. Then I will go in with my proteins. But before that, let me just add in my seasoning. I have my seasonings. I've added a little bit of salt already. So let's allow this to cook. Let me stir it a little bit. And I'll allow it to cook until everything is well blended. Then I will come in with my proteins. So I want you to tell me in the comment section if you enjoyed this recipe and if you would like to try. And also don't forget to comment, share, and like, and subscribe as well. Let's check this out. Okay, as you can see, our cassava leaf is ready. See how relaxed it is? I'm going to go in now with my proteins. I'll go in with my proteins. I have my protein in here already. Let's stir this. Guys, this is how we cook cassava leaf. It's ready, and I just wish all my subscribers would try this. You should try this. The aroma itself is so tempting. Yeah, you would like to eat everything all at once, but I just hope you try. This is so good. So nice. Our cassava leaf is ready. Now, I'm going to eat this with rice. Eat this with rice. And yeah, all done. Tell me where you're watching me from. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. This is it. This is how we cook our cassava leaf in Sierra Leone. All done.